simple and strong authentication. Welcome to Mobile ID, a solution for strong two-factor authentication from the Swiss telcos, Sunrise UPC, Salt and Swisscom, provided and operated by Swisscom. In 60% of all successful cyber attacks, attackers manage to take over passwords and user identities and thus penetrate systems. This problem is not new. Companies have invested a lot in infrastructures in recent years to protect against such attacks. Since the advent of the cloud, each user has diverse identities that are not centrally managed. This means that there are different user accounts. The external services determine how the users can access them. The new challenge is to continue to ensure access protection despite the growing number of services within a multi- and hybrid cloud environment. Without predefined access strategies, users use their own key for each individual service. With a symmetrical procedure, the user must use a separate key for each application. The effort thus increases exponentially and quickly becomes unmanageable and insecure. Key inflation means that the necessary care can no longer be ensured everywhere. With Mobile ID, we give users a simple means to authenticate in the same way every time they use a service. A managed service enables users to work with only one key. A so-called asymmetric crypto procedure ensures that the secret access data is always with the user. For this reason, Mobile ID only minimally increases the effort for additionally integrated systems. Users do not notice that a new system has been added. For them, a login always looks the same. They are not forced to generate, deposit, and use new access codes or credentials. This gives companies a manageable and linear additional effort despite the growing number of systems and ensures that authorizations are implemented correctly at all times. In the company or at the service provider, the Mobile ID is integrated via standardized interfaces such as OpenID Connect, Radius, and Microsoft ADFS. For individual software integration, the Mobile ID can also be integrated via a REST interface. Swiss WAF manufacturers such as United Security Providers also support the Swisscom Mobile ID. Together with all partners involved, Swisscom ensures that the products, platforms, processes and employees used are secure and trustworthy, and that the highest security standards are met. Have we aroused your interest? Together we will find out how Swisscom Mobile ID is the right two-factor solution for your company. We look forward to hearing from you.